So today, we're gonna see if theoretically you could start a car cleaning business with this Chemical Guys kit right here. So this all comes as one bucket right here. Let's go through everything you guys get in it. Sticky citrus wheel cleaner, streak-free glass cleaner. This stuff is amazing. Tire kicker tire shine. We're gonna do a separate video on that. Butter wet wax. I love this stuff. To me, this is one of the better readily available waxes. The Mr. Pink Suds Wash. Total interior cleaner. That's good stuff too. Nice soft bristle wheel brush. You get 2 bug sponges. Of course, the washing mitt and some microfiber towels. But there's a little bit more. You get the whole entire bucket and it gets a dirt catcher. It also comes with this foam cannon. We're going to try this foam cannon out. As to me, this is the most important step, getting that pre-wash going. We're going to try this out and see if this can even do it. Now, I've tried several of these different styles that connect directly to the garden hose, not had too much luck. This one seems a little bit different as it is adjustable up to 5 different settings. That's also another thing I do like about it is the quick connect. You don't have to take the whole thing off from the garden hose to put soap in it. So just pop that off there like that. It already has just a little bit of soap in it. And of course, since it comes as a kit, we're going to use the Mr. Pink. We're going to put a big old shot in there. We're going to add just a little bit more water. And we're going to put that top on and give it a good shake. Now this one has a fan and a cone on it. So we're going to see how well it covers. Because if we can't even get that pre-soak going, get that initial layer of dirt off, I mean, what good is the rest of the use of the kit if you have to go out and buy another $80 foam cannon? All right, we got it in the vertical mode right now, so let's see how well it does. Man, I can barely even hit the house. I'm only 6 feet away, and it's barely even reaching the house. And that's on the highest setting. That's on number 5 right there. Is it putting the soap out? Yeah, but it's more just spilling out suds than anything. Would this work in theory? Probably so. But I don't know if I would want to come back directly with a mitt after this, because this is probably still going to leave a lot of stuff on there. So your best bet would probably be spray this on, let it sit, then come back with a nice soft wash with the pressure washer. But if you have a pressure washer, you don't need to be using this anyway. So if you were just getting started, I don't know if this would really cut the mustard, to say. Just depends how dirty the vehicle is and what kind of quality work you're wanting to put out. Let's see what it looks like if we put it all the way down on 1, the lowest setting. Man, that's almost straight water coming out of there. Yeah, that's not great. Let's see how this does for rinsing, because you're supposed to be able to just pop this off there, then rinse afterwards. That was nice. You could rinse a car with that. It'd be like a gentle rinse. Yeah, you definitely ain't pressure washing anything with that. You definitely ain't busting the germs off, the mud and the grime. I say that, and there went a little piece of bird poop. I'll let you guys be the judge, the official judge on that. But do I think you could start a business with this? Very, very short term. Your first 2 or 3 cars, maybe. Again, I'd be getting a real pressure washer and a real foam cannon. That would take a lot of work and a lot of load off, guys. But I'm going to go ahead and link this whole kit below for you guys. If you do buy it as a kit, it does save you guys quite a bit of money versus going ahead and parting this out, buying each individual thing. The chemicals and stuff, all top tier. The bucket and the dirt catcher, great. This so much. This, I would probably throw in the trash as soon as I could. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.